Hey everyone, how's it going? Since it's fall, I want to show you guys how to draw a gourd. Now, there are lots of different types of gourds out there, so I'm just going to show you guys just a real simple one. So to draw a gourd, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's just going to come back down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's just going to go down, and then it's just going to curve back like this. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves up here, and then a little line that curves here. And then starting right here, I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves around all the way to here. And then same thing here, just a little line that just kind of curves around to there for the stem. Now, starting down here, I'm going to add a couple little broken lines that just kind of curve up, and then a couple more here. And then I'm going to draw another one here, one going here, one here, and then one there. Then you can always add a couple little extra lines right around here. And then on the stem right here, I'm just going to make some long little lines kind of going around, just like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fall gourd. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.